4th of June, 2023. Alastin Reform and Repair Review. Alastin Reform and Repair is a skincare product that is designed to help improve the appearance of aging skin. It is formulated with a unique blend of ingredients that work together to help support the skin's natural healing process, enhance collagen production, and improve overall skin health. The product is manufactured by Alastin Skincare. A Alastin Reform and Repair Review. The post-Alastin Reform and Repair Review appeared first on the Dermatology Review.